that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease in my lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
All right, so welcome back. Give it a stretch. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay. Word. Welcome back to untilit.works. Hopefully that last work session was a productive one for you. I finished all the post-radio show promo stuff, social media stuff, so that's done. Cool. I think I found the pretty good box. I need to cut it up. I need to find a box cutter somewhere. But I think I found a good box that I can go and make to ship this thing out. And yeah, so not too bad. So hopefully you had a productive one as well. All right, so for this break session, I wanted to talk about this thing that it came up, but I think I was in Japan during that time. And so I wanted to kind of talk about it now. So share my screen. Oh, let me put a link to this as well. Let me share this here. That was kind of interesting. So let me share I'm going to put a link to it so you can check it out. It'll be next to the recording of the video. And yeah, so Stack Overflow and OpenAI partner to strengthen the world's most popular large language models. So if you're not familiar, Stack Overflow is a place, kind of like a discussion forum, kind of, where people ask questions, particularly with like coding or like technology focused things, and people come and answer it to their best abilities. I mean, and so it's a pretty dope resource. A lot of times if you get like an error in your code and you like search for it in a search engine, it's probably like Stack Overflow is going to come up as like one of the first results. And so it's pretty dope for that. And but yeah, so I figured to go through this. Oh, and then OpenAI, they do the chat GPT thing. And so I guess it's going to be more coding related. So the same way I guess you would post your error in like a search engine to find an answer, I'm guessing now you'd be able to, and I've seen this, people do this before. They'll post the error in chat GPT and try to get an answer. But sometimes chat GPT is kind of limited depending on what model it is or whatever. So because it scrapes the internet for a bunch of things and we don't really know where the sources are. So you don't know if it's like vetted, if it's like really real or what. And if you're just copying and pasting things, you can end up in a whole bunch of problems. So I guess now by partnering with Stack Overflow, at least you'll get some sort of like credibility, I guess. So, all right. Let's see. So yeah, so Stack Overflow and OpenAI partner to strengthen the world's largest popular large language models. Great. Cool. So yeah, so Stack Overflow and OpenAI today announced, and this was on May 6th, announced a new API partnership that will empower developers. So yeah, so again, it's mostly for developers with the collective strengths of the world's leading knowledge platform, I guess they're talking about themselves, for highly technical content with the world's most popular LLM models for AI development. Cool. So that's what they will both be bringing popularity. OpenAI and Stack Overflow are coming together via Overflow API access to provide OpenAI users and customers with the accurate and vetted, accurate and vetted, that's literally what it said, data foundation that AI tools need to quickly find a solution to a problem so that technologies can stay focused on priority tasks. OpenAI will also surface validated technical knowledge from Stack Overflow directly into ChatGPT. All right, cool. Giving users easy access to trusted, attributed, accurate, and highly technical knowledge and code backed by the millions of developers that have contributed to the Stack Overflow platform for 15 years. And so, all right, so basically you run into an error, instead of plugging it into your search engine, you plug it into ChatGPT. They said attributed, and I'm hoping it actually, maybe it won't only say Stack Overflow, but maybe it'll actually say the person who answered it. You know what I'm saying? And maybe like a link to the discussion thread. Because for me, part of like understanding and learning is seeing the thoughts that go into the answer kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? So somebody has a question and somebody tries to answer and like, oh no, it doesn't work this way. And then it's like a discussion back and forth. I like to see that kind of thing because that helps me in the future to be like, well, maybe my issue is not that like specific, like as that other person's. Well, then maybe these other things that they discussed about will also help me in my thing. You know what I mean? And so I don't know. So hopefully we'll see how it works out. I haven't. Maybe it's already implemented, and I don't know. I don't really use a lot of Chat GPT. So okay. So as part of the collaboration, OpenAI will utilize Stack Overflow's Overflow API product. Make sure this is product. And collaborate with Stack Overflow to improve model performance for developers who use their products. Okay. This integration will help OpenAI improve its AI models using enhanced content, and feedback from the Stack Overflow community, and provide attribution to the Stack Overflow community. Okay, so that's cool. They're going to provide, that's good, within ChatGPT to foster deeper engagement with content. Cool. So yeah, so hopefully there is like a link so you can like learn more about it instead of just like copying and pasting, because again, you can end up in some problems with that. Stack Overflow will utilize OpenAI's models as part of their development of Overflow AI, which is, let me see, I'll open that in the whole new thing, and work with OpenAI to leverage insights from internal testing to maximize the performance of OpenAI models. Okay, OpenAI partnerships with Stack Overflow will help further drive its mission to empower the world to develop technology through collective knowledge, and Stack Overflow will be able to create better products that benefit the Stack Exchange community's health, growth, and engagement. All right, cool. Some more stuff here. Great. All right, cool. And they talk about them. All right, cool. Now, that's interesting. All right, so yeah, so hopefully it comes out cool. But I like that it's going to, at least you know where the answers are coming from, because sometimes it could just be like some random person who, like, especially like code, it could just be some random person who didn't actually get it working, but it has enough of like the same keyword goodness or whatever, and so that's like offered up as the example, when I mean it's probably not that great, and or like it's using like old libraries that maybe are deprecated and stuff. I don't know. So yeah, cool. So shout out to them. Let me see what this Stack Overflow AI thing is. Let me share this tab instead. Cool. All right, let me put a link to this as well since it was mentioned. Here we go. Cool. All right. So Overflow AI. AI features to supercharge your workflows. Cool. Talk to an expert. All right. What just happened? Wait, is there not a video here? There's a video, but when I scroll down, it gets covered up. All right, interesting. Let me see if I can play this video. All right, let's see. Oh, it's a Stack Overflow for Teams. Did not know that. Here we go.
Introducing Overflow AI. We're bringing AI power to your Stack Overflow for Teams knowledge community. Available now on Stack Overflow for Teams Enterprise. Overflow AI helps connect employees to knowledge faster. It does the heavy lifting of discovering and disseminating your internal community's knowledge into cohesive answers wherever your teams work, like their web browser, IDE, or messaging apps like.
Okay, my computer is not like, and then I can't like watch the full video because then this pops up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, it's fine. So yeah, enhanced search, cool. Summarize multiple answers across your knowledge base into new insights. Oh, so I guess you can have like your own personal, like Stack Overflow. Interesting. Stack Overflow for Visual Studio Code. The power of Stack Overflow in your coding environment. That's cool. Auto answer app for, oh, so they have like a Slack integration. That's cool. So instead of like typing in again search engine, you can just plug it. Okay, so I guess they're going to use like OpenAI to help with some of that stuff behind the scenes. All right, it's pretty cool. So we're bringing AI power to your knowledge community. Oh, that's dope. And same stuff here. Cool. Yeah, so summarize multiple answers across your knowledge base into insight. So I guess it can look into your, I guess into your own like documents and stuff. That's cool. Yeah, source and summarize knowledge to move past blockers faster. That's pretty dope. Take your developer experience to the next level. So this is in your editor. Okay. Okay. That's pretty dope. So it can ask you questions. That's pretty helpful. Especially like onboarding like new people. That's pretty dope. All right. So I guess this is all like internal stuff. Nice. And then again with you can get answers. That's cool. That's pretty dope. Then level up your enterprise plan. So you got some custom plan here, and then $10 per user per month. Cool. Nice. That's pretty dope. All right. So yeah. So shouts to Stack Overflow and OpenAI. You know what I'm saying? So interesting. Again, I like the idea that it's going to be attributed, hopefully to like down to like the user, and like links to the discussion, and so you can kind of see the full thing, get full context for it. So yeah, so I think that's pretty cool. Have you used it? Let me know. But for now, I'm gonna get y'all back to work. And yeah, thanks for hanging out. I'm gonna send y'all off with some traveling music. This right here is almost clicked the wrong button. Please load. Here we go. Cool. This is Anthony Cruz, aka A Butter. The track is called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. We'll come back. We'll have the final break session. Time's going by super quick. The final break session of the first cipher of the day. And yeah, so till then, I wish you much productivity, and thanks for hanging out. All right, Anthony Cruz, aka A Butter. Thank you. All right, easy. Peace.
I want to say thank you for holding on when a brother was down and out. Now I feel so strong, and I want to say thank you for being there when a brother had nowhere to turn to. You were there, and I feel like hell. And everybody says hell. We spread love like hell. I want to say thank you for holding on